The Indus Water Treaty was signed between India and Pakistan on 19 September 1960. The Ghadar Party was formed in the year 1913. Das is also known as the Golden City. Das is also known as the Golden City, Jaisalmer. The excavated remains of Das found near the Patna in Bihar was inscribed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in July 2016. Nalanda Mahavira. Depreciation is an annual allowance for the wear and tear of capital goods. The depreciation is an annual allowance for the wear and tear of the capital goods. Days are homogeneous mixture of two or more component solutions. The aggregate value of goods and services produced in an economy can be calculated by three methods: income method, expenditure method, and dash method. Product or value added method. The dash in China is the world's longest man-made waterway, Grand Canal. Alai Darwaza, the southern gateway of Qutb Islam Mosque in Delhi, was constructed by Alauddin Khilji. Alai Darwaza, the southern gateway of the Qutb Islam Mosque in Delhi, was constructed by Alauddin Khilji in 1311. India won its dead successive title at the South Asian Football Federation Women's Championship in March 2019. Fifth, Das renounced his knighthood in patriots of the Jallianwala Bagh mass killing. Rabindranath Tagore. Named the first Lieutenant Governor of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Girish Chandra Murmu. Dharmaraj, Yudhishthir Ratha, Bhim Ratha, Arjun Ratha, and Nakul Sahdev Ratha are four of the Panch Rathas at Mahabalipuram. What is the name of the fifth Ratha? Draupadi Ratha. Which of the following is not located in Odisha? Sonitpur Elephant Reserve is not located in Odisha. Sambhalpur Elephant, Mayurbhanj Elephant Reserve or Mahanandi Elephant Reserve located in Odisha. The Hyderabad Fund had been held by the Dash in the account of the High Commissioner of Pakistan to the UK, Habib Ibrahim Rahimullah. National Westminster Bank. Pernicious anemia is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B12. Pernicious anemia is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B12. Which of the following is not an ore of iron? Cuprite. Cuprite is not the ore of iron. It is ore of copper. The Indian Army is set to commission the first batch of the women soldier by the year 2021. The National Commission for Backward Classes was formed by insertion of Article Dash in the Constitution of India 338B. The headquarters of the Board of Control for the Cricket in India was located in Mumbai. The total number of images formed by two mirrors inclined at 120 degrees to each other is 2. The Padma Award is announced every year on Republic Day. Which of the following can be used as a cyclist in hydrogenation reaction? Palladium. Name the first female amputee to climb the Mount Everest. Arunima Sinha. Part 8 of the Constitution of India deals with the Union Territories. Which of the following companies has roped in the cricket Harbhajan Singh as its the brand ambassador in 2019? Burani and Bearskin. Berwick River, a southern side tributary of Banas River, originates from the hills in which of the following district of Rajasthan? Udaipur. Who has honored with the first recipient of the Mupwarupu National Award for the National Service at Hyderabad on 9th January 2020? Dr. Monkombu Sambhasivan Swaminathan. Who among the following conceived the Kakori train robbery into 1925? Ram Prasad Bismil and Asfaqullah Khan. What is the ranking of the India in the World Economic Forum's World Travel uh, Tourism Competitive Index for the year 2019? 34. Who among the following scientists invented the cotton gin? Ellie Whitney. Which of the following is also known as the Epsom salt? Magnesium sulfate. Which of the following is used to control the pest phase? Pesticide. Which of the following city is the tomb of Rani of Jhansi situated? Gwalior. The international naval event Milan is scheduled to be held in Dash in March 2020, Visakhapatnam. Which of the following authorities launched the PPRTMS Political Parties Registration Tracking Management System? Election Commission of India. Which of the following Viceroy of India addressed the Bengal famine of 1943 by ordering the army to distribute relief supplies to the starving rural Bengalis? Lord Linthyago. Which of the following acid is not present in the grapes? Acetic acid. In the memory of whom is the Madhavpur Mela of Gujarat celebrated? Lord Krishna and Rukmini. In which of the following year was the Congress Socialist Party formed? 1934. According to the data available as on 2019, how many national parks are situated in India? 104. Who among the following is the chairman of the 15th Finance Commission of India? N.K. Singh. Who among the following founded the Bombay Stock Exchange? Premchand Roychand. Who among the following Indian weightlifter has been banned for 4 years of NADA after being found guilty of a doping violation during the 34th Women's Senior National Weightlifting Champion held at Visakhapatnam? Sarbjit Kaur. Who among the following has been appointed as the Director of National Book Trust on 11th January 2020? Lieutenant Colonel Yuraz Malik. Which of the following academies organizes the Tansen Sangeet Samaroh in Gwalior? Ustad Alauddin Khan Kala Iwan Sangeet Academy. In which of the following states was the 12th naval exercise Nasim al-Bahr between India and Oman held? Goa. Which of the following is used as the substitute of mercury in thermometers? Galveston. How many national highways were merged to form the National Highway 44? 7. Under which article of the Indian Constitution are special provisions provided to language spoken in a section of the people of the population? Article 347. Name the Indian wrestler who has been named the Junior Freestyle Wrestler of the Year 2019 by the United World Wrestling UWW. Deepak Punia. Which international organization released the World Energy Outlook 2019 report? International Energy Agency. The Supreme Court has declared access to the Internet a fundamental right under the Article Dash of the Indian Constitution. 19. Mehrunisa, who was known as the Noor Jahan, was the wife of Jahangir. Alasha Healy, who created a world record by becoming the highest scorer of the Women's T20 T20 International, belongs to Dash, Australia. If the inflation in an economy is rise steadily, the central bank might increase the repo rate. Merchant discount rate refers to the rate charged to a merchant for payment processing service on debit and credit card transaction. Which Indian journalist has honored with the India's Most Powerful Woman in Media award during the prestigious Confluence Excellence Award ceremony held in the British Parliament on 27 September 2019? Kalipuri. In which year did the D.C. Circar publish Indian Epigraphy and Indian Epigraphical Glossary, 1965 to 1966? To which of the following Indian state does the Mardani Khel, one of the famous martial art forms in India, belongs? Maharashtra. Which of the following disease is not transmitted from one person to another? Cirrhosis. Uh, when did the Bikram era begin? 57 BC. Who is the first general of the Indian Army whose retirement day is celebrated as the Armed Forces Veterans Day every year? General K.M. Karyappa. The SDG India Index is developed by Niti Aayog. SDG Sustainable Development Goal. Which of the following is the first South Asian country to call the match fixing a crime? Sri Lanka. Who performs the task of capturing the oxygen in the blood? Hemoglobin. On which river and in which state is the Jakwadi Dam situated? Godavari River and Maharashtra. Which leader gave us the CR formula? C. Rajgopalachari. Name the only metal that is antibacterial. Copper. Madhavpur Mela takes place in Gujarat. Which of the following is a natural flame retardant? DNA. In the sequence of the planet in the solar system, which planet come between the Mercury and Earth? Venus. Which of the following gases is consistently seen to be most abundant in the volcanic eruption? Water vapor. Which of the following is the primary sex organ of female? Ovary. Even women purpose to partner with dash gender park with an aim to secure gender party in South Asia. Kerala's. Even women purpose to partner with dash gender park with an aim to secure the gender parity in South Asia. Kerala's. Thank you.